Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony HT-SD40 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker will not connect to Bluetooth, or it's not syncing or pairing with your devices, or if you're having any kind of sound or connectivity issues that you're trying to fix, a good step is to do a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again because the pairing history and everything will be initialized to its out-of-the-box settings. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you are just trying to get a fresh start, maybe you're setting this soundbar up for a new TV or something like that, and you just want to reinitialize everything, we can go ahead and do that very easily. All we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and with our soundbar on, we're going to find the power button and the volume down button. And we're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for about 7 seconds until our display, it will show reset here. We'll allow it to complete its reset and turn off. And then once that happens, we're going to go ahead and unplug it and then leave it unplugged for a couple seconds, plug it back in and turn it back on, and you should be able to set it up as a new speaker.